How to beat procrastination. Procrastination is delaying tasks that you need to do, and you can beat it by starting small, just 5 minutes. Yeah, because action builds momentum. So, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and starting this journey today, and I hope everyone follow me along, and I hope this inspires you to do what you want to do also, because I know mostly everyone procrastinates. Oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, but then um, I realized that I want to start perfect, and that is impossible. It's impossible to start perfect, and I've been waiting for the perfect time for ages, and then I don't seem to get the perfect time yet still. So currently I'm watching a YouTube about Library Mansion. I think the one in Atlanta, here is it. So I think he has a mansion in Atlanta that he barely leaves. So I'm just scrolling past YouTube and I decided to pick this and watch. So yeah, that's me starting my morning, and this is 10:44 a.m. 44 a.m. right now, and um, I'm just starting my day. So I'll basically be taking you guys through my morning, and basically nothing too serious, nothing too serious going on today, and just the just gonna be home. I don't know if anything comes up and I end up uh, going out, but right now nothing. I just have to have my bed, eat, and then maybe play games. So, and with time I'll introduce myself better and I get to know me better. But then this is my first video that I'm gonna do um, that has my voice in, actually. Yeah, so because I had the video previously on my page since January, and since then I haven't got the time to make another one, even like been procrastinating, and then so so first things first, I've been up since like 7 a.m. Like I barely slept. This morning it's 10 a.m. like I said, and I'm going to brush my teeth and then have my bed and eat, then maybe play game, and then talk a little bit more about myself. I live in Canada, and it's super cold today. Like, I don't know, it's it's spring and then it's still cold because Canada's weather is crazy. So, and just pulling it out. So it's super cold. And it's spring, but yeah, it's still cold. So yeah, I'm gonna turn my camera. Yeah, so can't stay out too long. I don't like the cold. So yeah. So nothing too serious, like I said. Gonna be eating leftovers for breakfast. Just finish having my bits and using cereal and so so up and looking fresh. And yeah, let's get started. So fresh out of the washroom, and like I said, I'm having um, leftovers for breakfast. So yeah, then so we'll get started with getting to know me. So like I said, I live in Canada, and I came as an immigrant, and I've been here for 1 year and like 6 months. So as time goes on, I'm gonna share how I've been living, because I came as a student, and how I've been living, how I've been coping, how school going, how I got my visa, how life has been as an immigrant, and then how I'm adapting to the change of environment, and yeah, all of that. So, but then it's gonna be one step at a time, you know. So, like we're discussing procrastination. So you don't have to wait for the perfect time, and because the perfect time would never come if you don't start. So you just have to start something. And because I am this person who wants a proper video, I want a proper shoot, and if I was like, if I can't do this, I don't want to start yet. So then I'm gonna start with my phone, and then from there we'll see as time goes on. I have two digital cameras. I have a Sony and I have a Canon. So I have with time, after as time goes on, we'll talk much about that, and yeah. So I'll be having a Nigerian food as breakfast. I don't know if this is proper, but then yeah, this is what I got. This is what I'm gonna be having for breakfast, and yeah. So if you have a YouTube channel, it's okay to start with your phone. Don't be like me. It's okay to start with your phone. Just do something. So I'll make this video as short as possible. While today we'll only be discussing about procrastination and a little bit of introduction about myself. So my name is Usman Kasali, and I'm originally from Lagos, Nigeria, and I was a student of, or I am a student of Lagos State University, and I'm gonna explain why I changed from I am, not I was. Yeah, I'm a student of Lagos State University. So when I relocated, I was still in 300 level. So last year was my 400 level, and now 500 level. So it's been a ride. While I was in Nigeria, I was a photographer, going around shooting, mostly birthday pictures, lifestyle pictures, and then sometimes concerts. So mostly the December night concerts pictures. So yeah, that was much about me in Nigeria. Not so much to talk about. Then so back in January 2024, I relocated. So it was a very, very fast process, and I didn't imagine I was gonna relocate. Yeah, located in January, and I arrived in Canada on the 16th of January, I think. Yeah, so that was a bit much about when I got to Canada and my name. So yeah, so back to dealing with procrastination. So just start. This is my first video, like I said, and it's gonna be a whole lot that's gonna be happening from my day-to-day life, schooling, and there. Yeah, so yeah, you can do the same. Just start. I'm using my phone right now, even with the fact that I have a camera. So So because camera can be stressful, you know, before you timing and all of that. So yeah, just start. Once you start, you keep going. And again, this is could help me in my daily routine and help me be more productive. You know what I'm saying. So um, and yeah, so today I'm gonna end this video soon, and I won't be doing so much today. I'm just gonna watch a couple videos on YouTube, and maybe I'm gonna watch Netflix, and then I have to resume my certification because I'm currently doing the certification. I'm gonna talk much about these things later on in the coming videos. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can get along with these, and then we'll we'll see what the future brings, you know what I'm saying. So if you have a YouTube channel you want me to subscribe, just leave your channel down below the comment section and I'm gonna subscribe, and you should hit the subscribe button too, so yeah, you can keep track and you can see my next video. And then yeah, boom. If you have a comment, if you have anything you want to ask me, let me know below in the comment section. If you have questions, how I relocated, or what you want to see in my next video, just let me know in the comment section, and then yeah, I'll talk about it in my next video or the second next video. So let me know below. If you have any questions, I'll be looking in the comments, and I'll respond to comments. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video to this moment, thank you so much. It's gonna be a whole lot of ride, and this might not be a perfect video, but yeah, trust me, I'll be doing much more of this until I find my balance, because I'm not gonna get a perfect time to start. Just know that action builds momentum, remember that. So yeah, I'll be signing out right now. So if you watch this video to this moment, thank you and I appreciate you, and so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Signing out. Peace and love.